Hey, hi guys, Elaine Michaels here, and today I will be sharing with you how to get your sales funnel set up for your lead magnets. You can start capturing your leads right away. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to log into your My Lead System Pro site. You can do it through here, myleadsystempro.com, and click on the login, or a shortcut is to type /member. Go ahead and put in your username, your password, and sign in. Okay, so here we are inside your My Lead System Pro tool. If you should already have gone through the start here and gone through, I believe, the first 4 steps at least, and and already hopefully getting some leads for your business. Today we're going to go straight to creating that first capture page or sales funnel for your lead magnet that you created already. So you want to go to the My Websites tab, and you want to click to MLSP Funnelizer. Okay, when you have time, you can watch this video. It's really a good video to give you started on your funnel. And we're just going to be doing a similar tutorial specifically for your lead magnet. What I normally do is I scroll down here and I hit this button, Launch MLSP Funnelizer. Okay, and that'll bring us up to My Funnels. This is where you'll be creating your capture page. And we're going to do a very basic, simple capture page for your lead magnet, just so you can start capturing those email addresses and information so that you can start giving out your valuable content. All right, to get started, we just hit Create Funnel. Okay, here you're going to enter the name of your funnel name, and this is really for you to know which funnel inside all of your funnels this one is created for, and so that you could recognize it. Nobody sees this funnel name, so I'm going to name it the name of our lead magnet. 3 fundamental principles. Okay, and as you can see, it's going to create a URL for your funnel so that you can direct people to your funnel. You need to enter a funnel slug, which is going to identify your funnel, and it's going to be in your URL. So you want to keep it kind of short. Try not to use capital letters, because I found that has messed things up. So 3. Okay. And you're creating a new funnel, so go ahead and create My Funnel. Great. So you're going to enter now the name of the page, which I'm going to use the same name as my funnel. As you can see, it already added the name of my funnel here that I gave it in the previous page. And here I'm just going to write the word opt-in, because that's going to be where the page in which people are going to put in their email address. Okay. Here you have templates ready-made for you to use. You can customize them a little bit. They're pretty simple and easy to use. So for the purpose of our lead magnet, you could use something very simple. Here is a background image opt-in. You can change the background image if you want to. You just have to make sure it's the right size. But I would just use the background that's already there. And here's a plain one where you just have to add your words or your copy onto it. And so for the purpose of this lead magnet, I would use the background image opt-in. So you just select use template and go up here and click on save page and edit. All right, so here there are already titles and subtitles and everything put in. We're going to just modify it a little bit, and so it can be ready to be sent out to your potential viewers immediately. Okay, so what I usually do is change out the copy so that it's congruent with my lead magnet. Remember, our lead magnet that we created was called 3 Fundamental Principles. Okay, so free PDF reveals the 3 fundamental principles most business owners neglect that is keeping them broke. Okay? You can say implement these and start getting leads this week. Okay. All right. So you can actually change some of the color. You can make it bold. You can make it italicized. You know, however you want to make it look more, the words can jump out and capture your reader's attention. Okay, so we've got the title, we've got the subtitle. Here we have the email in which your, here we have the email where they would put in their information and you want to capture that information into your autoresponder. Okay, if you haven't set up your autoresponder yet, there's going to be another video to help you do that, to integrate that to My Lead System Pro. I've already done that and I can show you how to connect it here. Okay, if you want to change the background image, you know, you can do it here or any of the components of this page on the left side here. Okay, but for the purpose of creating a simple capture page so you can start generating leads today, we're going to just keep completing this capture page. So let's say you want to capture their email address and their name. It's important for you to capture their name. You would come over here to edit form fields. Okay, this will pop up and you want to select the form field that you want. There's a few here, you know, consent checkbox. Oh, okay, you might need that. You can come back and edit that later. Phone number if you intend on calling your prospects, or a name. I'm going to add name. Make sure you click add new field. And then I want the name to be on top of the email box. So I'm going to click this arrow here to send it up. So it will be name first, enter your name, email, enter your best email address. Okay, perfect. Let's close. And let's go ahead and save changes. So anytime you make changes in Funnelizer, I would recommend that you hit changes saved. All right, so here we are. Now we have the name, email, okay. You can change the wording in your button. I like to use okay, give me instant access. Perfect. All right, now where are these names and email just going to go once they type the information in. That's where you will need to edit the integrations. Okay, and this is going to make the connection between your capture page and your autoresponder, in which you will have a list already created to drop your information there. So go ahead and click Edit Integrations. Okay, so I use Aweber, and it's already been connected. So here's Aweber. Because it's already been connected, it's going to let me select which list in Aweber I want them to go to. So I have created lead magnet right here. Okay, and don't forget to hit Add New Integration. A lot of people skip this step and it doesn't get integrated. So hit Add New Integration, and then you'll see it right here. And then go ahead and close out. Okay, don't forget to save changes. Okay, so, free PDF reveals the 3 fundamental principles most business owners neglect that is keeping them broke. Implement these and start getting leads this week. Name, address. All right, and then down here, if you have a legal disclaimer, private policy, terms of use, okay, and always change the date, okay, to 2018. All right, this looks good. This is your very basic capture page. I'm going to save changes. Okay, I've integrated this to my list, so I'm going to start getting those leads into my list, and they're going to give me access. Okay. Now here, this button, you can also, in addition, send it to a thank you page if you wanted to. That way you can give further call to action, further instructions to who's ever opting in to get the PDF. It's totally optional. But for the purpose of creating a simple capture page just to capture leads, this is enough. So go ahead and publish the changes. Okay, so it's been successfully published. Close out the editor right here. Okay, make sure you hit variation 1, start variation. Okay, so it's been resumed. And then you're going to hit publish funnel. All right. So the next thing you really need to do is to test your funnel. Always test your funnel to make sure it's working properly. One way you can do that is simply get the URL. Okay, here it is. So you want to grab that top link, copy it, go over here. Let's just put it up here and see what happens. There it is. Okay, I'm going to put in my name. I'm going to put in my best email address. And boom. Congratulations, you have subscribed. All right, so we know that the funnel works. That's perfect. And now we can start sharing the funnel page with those who are interested in grabbing your lead magnet.